Hey everybody, it's time for another art with Miss Ashley. Today we are drawing graffiti bubble letters. This is a simple project. Basically, we're gonna be drawing the alphabet, but we're gonna add our own little style to it. So it's basically a basic bubble letter drawing, but we're gonna add kind of like a calligraphic style to it. So I'm gonna start with the letter A. Oh, forgot to mention my supplies. All you need for this is paper. I'm using somewhat of a cardstock type paper, so like poster paper, and Sharpies. This is Prismacolor. I like to use fancy markers sometimes, but you can use whatever. You can use Crayola, any type of washable marker, but I like Sharpies and kind of art markers. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Basically, I'm gonna start with the basic bubble letter. So the concept of a bubble letter, basically you wanna make it look like your letters are bubbled in a sense. But now I'm gonna go in and kind of add like a stylized kind of look. So for my graffiti look today, I'm making the outline of the letters look like a bubble, and then I'm kind of doing like simple lines in the middle of them. So I'm gonna draw my B and my C and kind of go from there. See? So as you can see, it's literally just kind of bubbled, and then I'm doing like a simple line. And now I'm gonna go and kind of add some shadows. So honestly, with any type of bubble letters or calligraphy letters or graffiti, you're basically just, what makes it considered graffiti is when you add that outline to it. See, just kind of going back and adding details. And you can even, cool thing about graffiti, because a lot of, if you look at the history of graffiti, you see a lot of it on trains and buildings, like in local neighborhoods and stuff. And a lot of people think of it as kind of trespassing or kind of, I guess, messing up what's already going on in the neighborhood. But I personally think it's just street art, you know. And I'm just outlining it. See? All right, so once you get to a point to where you got your graffiti bubble letters how you want them, I ran out of room, so I went from A to M. Basically now you're gonna add your color. So I'm just gonna go back over this. I kind of like drew a cloud around the letters, just kind of giving it that 3D look. Because honestly, the concept of bubble letters, like I mentioned before, is just overlapping and making it look 3D. So now I'm just gonna add some really cool colors. And I'm just kind of freehanding. You know, like I said, this is a project that you honestly just want to keep practicing with. I used to draw bubble letters in school all the time, and just over time I got better at it. I remember people would ask me and my best friend to draw their names from them. And after a while, I think we started charging people like 50 cents to draw their names. But yeah, over time, we just, you know, I kept practicing and got better at it. I like this color. All right, so once you get to the point where you know what design you want, you honestly can just go at it and just start trying different things out. Right now I got a little pattern going where I have stripes, no stripes, stripes, no stripes, and so forth. And I really like what I ended up coming up with. But yeah, graffiti drawing, it's pretty much a practice drawing technique. It'd be cool to kind of like make a card for somebody, and you can like do your words in bubble letters or do them in graffiti. That's another way to use this type of art. You can use this type of art on the front of your notebook, like I said, drawing a card for somebody, making a picture for somebody, making a name tag for camp. This would be a perfect name tag if you did your name. I didn't do my name today. I just wanted to do the basic alphabet so you can kind of understand how to do the letters. And this is just one way to do graffiti bubble letters. You can find other videos on YouTube. And yeah, just have fun with it. And also remember, when you do your drawing, always make sure you put your signature on it. And that is that. Got my art piece, and that's Art with Miss Ashley for the day. See you next time.